A tree in which the leaves are born to repel mosquitoes. What tree is it? Introducing Antipolo Artocarpus blancoi of the family Moraceae. The genus Artocarpus was derived from the Greek words artos meaning bread and carpus meaning fruit. Antipolo is a large tree growing to a height of 30 meters and attaining a diameter of 50 centimeters or more. It is a medium-sized, fast-growing evergreen tree from the breadfruit family. It is common in second-growth forests at low to medium altitudes, growing abundantly in dry grassland in Quezon, Aurora, Samar, and Mindanao provinces. Its wood is used as house post and for other products requiring durability. It is also used to make furniture, cabinets, and musical instruments as a substitute for Nangka Artocarpus heterophyllus. Bark extracts are considered antimicrobial. In Porac, Pampanga, leaves are reportedly being eaten by the itas. Leaves are also born to repel mosquitoes, while the seeds are edible when boiled. The sticky sap extracted from the bark captures small birds. Antipolo, the capital city of Rizal, was named after this abundant tree a century ago. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.